Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's February 22nd, Friday morning, and we just got the USDA export sales number. Corn above the range, 150 to 350, came in at 382. Wheat 755, that was well above the range at 400 to 600. Soybeans, they were looking for 300 to 600. The bottom line there, it was a net cancellation of 57,000 tons, so a negative sales number in soybeans this week. The news out that has provided strength for soybean market here, I think, is the anticipation that China will come in, buy more soybeans out of the U.S. because of delays coming out of South America. And the rumor has been all this week that China's been buying a lot of cargoes of soybeans after they came off a holiday. We haven't seen any, we've seen a few of the announcements, but none as large as what the trade is circulating right now. There's also rumors that China bought 350,000 tons of wheat from the U.S. And 500,000 from Australia and Canada. That was out yesterday, of course, but China's been a good buyer. China news wires announced this morning that some of their smaller mills have bought up to 240,000 tons of new crop U.S. corn here overnight, but the larger mills are waiting for lower prices. So the demand side of the equation providing some support and some enthusiasm here to the market. I think technical reasons also have provided support to soybeans in the overnight trade, where there's a little thinner trade. They went up, tested the $15 area in the March contract and in the May contract. So looks to be some resistance at that level. We've sold off since then. The CCI index, commodity index, that is a basket of commodities, that index has fell below the January low on the close yesterday. So that has got to be a concerning factor as well in the overall commodity picture. The dollar continues to hold above the 200-day moving average, even though it has set back a little bit here this morning. So another factor that we've got to watch very closely. We've also got the Ag Outlook data coming out sometime this morning. We're expecting that we should see the yield numbers and the rest of the balance sheet. They gave us part of the numbers yesterday. They should fill in the blanks today so we can calculate and see where they're coming from here, at least to start this 2013-14 marketing year. Option expiration today on the March contracts of options, so that'll happen on the close. We've got weather in South America a little drier. We're really over the weather market in South America right now. We're past that, so it's still important. We still talk about it every day, but it doesn't have quite the impact as it had here a week or so ago. Dock workers strike in South America on the ports of Brazil. They are going on strike today for a 6-hour period, and then they're going to strike again on Tuesday for 6 hours. And they are halting this movement in the ports because of new facilities that are being built. They're improving these facilities, which they say will lose their people jobs, and therefore they're standing up to that. The livestock market, we did have Secretary Vilsack say yesterday that he doesn't think that the meat inspections will be disrupted that much. It won't be immediate on March 1st anyway, when some of the budget cuts take place. It would be a 30-day to 45-day process through the furlough system of the meat inspectors that we could see some impact. So hopefully the Congress will have an answer before the these cuts become final and impact the livestock market. Also, there was news out that Smithfield yesterday said that they feel like they'll be able to meet the Chinese request on the drugs, that drug-free pork that they would be buying. They'll be able to meet that by March 1st, so that should relieve some of the pressure on the pork supplies here in the U.S. Cutout values. Choice beef was up 4 cents. Select was down 33. Pork was down 57. The weather conditions in the plains are certainly going to hold up movement of cattle where they've had 8, 9, 10 inches of snow. Don't think it's going to hurt rate of gain very much. It will, once the snow melts, create definitely some messy feedlot situations, and maybe some cattle will be carrying some mud and maybe discounts at that point. But the rate of gain, because of temperatures and the need for moisture right now, not quite as impactful as we normally see. The hog market, on the other hand, we've seen some pressure here in the cash market because of just lack of movement and able to get these hogs moved, which will put some pressure on the cash market as we go into next week. So if you got any questions, give us a call. We've got the Riverside, Iowa meeting coming up here next Thursday evening and Friday morning. If you're in the area, we'd love to have you stop by. We will. You can sign up right on our website. Save a seat for you and make a reservation. So if you got any questions, give us a call, 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a good trading day, safe weekend, and I'll talk to you on Monday morning.